Yeah, good afternoon. This is Cumulus Electrical, and today I will be sharing my product and services through this video. Uh, I am an engineer by profession. I repair high frequency welding machine, and I also import the parts, but because of financial constraints I would have been importing the machine itself, but as it is now I cannot. So as you are watching this video, you can reach out to me because I will be explaining some of the features of this very machine through this video. You can reach me out through my direct contact, that is 07064591818. Like I said before, I'm a technician. I repair high frequency welding machine, and this machine is used in production of fish pond, trampoline, as in canopy. It is also used in producing trailer cover, army tents, and all these poly materials that you see that is being welded with heat. So this machine has a different capacity. We have the one of 5 kilowatts, and this 5 kilowatts has the tube, and the model of this tube is 7085 RB, and the frequency of this tube is about 27.12 to 40 megahertz, and the input voltage for this very tube is about 6.3 volts approximately, and it produces about 5,000 kVA size of heat. And if you are interested in this very product, you can DM me directly through my personal handle, that is Ndubisi Jeremiah, or through my Facebook page, that is Cumulus Electrical. Thank you.